Today we're going to be learning how to do a deadlift. A deadlift is a resistance training exercise in which an individual lifts a bar to their hips and then lowers it to the ground in order to increase muscle strength in the posterior region of the body. The performer can choose to add more weight in order to increase difficulty and see maximal benefits. It is considered a powerlifting exercise and it has many advantages when performed correctly. The prime movers when doing a deadlift include the hamstrings group, which includes the semimembranosus, the semitendinosus, the biceps femoris, the quadriceps group, which includes the vastus lateralis, the vastus medialis, the rectus femoris, and the vastus intermedius, the trapezius, the latissimus dorsi, and the gluteus maximus. Before you begin deadlifting, you should place either the straight bar or the hex bar in front of you on the ground, and if you wish to add weight, do so by securing it with a clip. If you plan on lifting a lot of weight, you should use a belt in order to prevent injury. For your setup, you should face the bar with your feet hip-width apart. Your toes should be pointed slightly outward and your head should remain neutral. Next, you should bend down with your knees locked and grab the bar. You can choose between either a normal or mixed grip. A normal grip is when both hands are facing forward, and a mixed grip is when they're in opposite directions. In this video, I will be using a normal grip. Notice how in this clip, my head is neutral and I am not looking down at the ground. Now it's time to begin the deadlift. Grab the bar without bending your knees. Once the bar is gripped, bend your knees and pull the weight up to your hips with your chest and back. Be sure to have a lumbar curve during this step. Once you have the weight raised, your knee and hip joints should be locked. Next, lower the weight back down to the ground by unlocking your knees and hips. The bar should completely rest on the ground between reps. A common fault that you want to avoid is keeping your knees locked when lifting the weight off of the ground. This is not an arm exercise. Picture yourself sitting in a chair and execute that stance so that you are in proper position with a lumbar curve. Notice how in this clip I use my legs to lift the weight off of the ground. Some points of performance include having a symmetrical grip, having a lumbar curve, keeping your feet hip-width apart with your weight in your heels, having an inflated chest, a neutral head, and locked arms.